Hey and welcome back to another episode of Just Call Me Josie. Today's video is all about this little guy right here. This is the ZOEVA Cocoa Blend palette and we will be doing 3 looks with this palette today. I have made sure to include all of the 10 shades in here in the 3 looks, so you can see all of them in action. This is what the palette looks like. We will also be doing a little mini review as well as some swatches. I tried to keep the 3 eye looks dramatic but still wearable at the same time, and I am not using any false lashes in either of the looks, so it will be as easy as possible for you to recreate. Since we have a lot to get to in today's video, let's just jump straight into the little mini review. Now, I own several of these sort of 10-pan palettes with this layout from ZOEVA, and I have to say I thoroughly enjoy all of them. They are definitely some of my favorites. The only thing I would say that I don't like about the packaging is it got quite dirty, and I went in to clean it as one does when something is dirty, and I used a wet wipe, and as you can tell, sort of the overlay foil thingy design on top has rubbed off. So yeah, I wish that the design on the packaging was a bit more durable. I feel like you should be able to clean it. Other than that, I absolutely love how slim and compact it is, and I also love that it is cardboard instead of plastic. In this palette you have everything from this really light cream shade up to this really dark, rich, intense brown over here, so you can create a lot of different looks with this one. You also have 2 matte crease shades right here that could work for you depending on what skin tone you have, so I think that is great. The cranberry and the gold happen to be my favorite because I love metallic shade, but you also have some traditional shimmery shades like this one as well as purple right here. The only shade that I would switch out that I feel like I don't need in this palette is this shade right here. This is sort of a dark black and almost green shade, and it has a lot of glitter specks in it. And I don't see the need for those shades because you put it on and then all the glitter just disperses all over your face and you're left with a matte, so it could have just been a straight up matte from the beginning, and that would have definitely been my preference. So this is the only shade that I'm like, could have done without you, but the rest of them I absolutely adore. I would say they are quite firmly pressed, which I personally prefer over a super loosely pressed eyeshadow. This type of formula where the shadow is actually more firmly pressed are quite easy to work with. I highly recommend it, and without further ado, let's get straight into the 3 looks that I created with this palette.
Take a moment right here, feeling like it's out gear, driving towards the sun with a rose and a gun. Feel the wind in my hair, going nowhere I swear, like an outlaw on the run. Dangerous but it's so fun, running, running, no. Hold on, don't let go. Told my boss that I'm done, had no luck with my mom. Say, what will you do with your life? You know it's hard to survive. A cigar in my mouth, maybe guilty but proud. Now I'm
hanging by a thread, hung up on all the words you said, breaking free from this conformity that you force on me. Everything I do is one big show. It's about damn time that I take control. Put me under a microscope and watch me take control. What's this? I finally read this helplessness. Tired of feeling like I'm upside down, so I'm gonna turn it all around. And and dear God, save my soul, 'cause it is flawed. Tired of feeling like I'm upside down, so I'm gonna turn it all around. Upside down. Upside down. Gonna turn it all upside down. And don't tell me that I need saving. Finally awake and living. Yeah. The pressure inside was building. I felt under attack, and now my mind's attacked. And I've chosen my path.